You really need to show up, fix a bug, reply a DM, finish that unfinished project. But your body just say no. You didn't sleep well. You just fell off. What if I told you this is not laziness? This is kind of biofeedback, a signal that you shouldn't avoid, because when your body is struggling, your business, your product, your family will too. And I'll share 3 methods at the end to help you to deal with this. Here are 5 sneaky health issues that quietly take female founder down. 1, you're not sleeping. You're not just tired. Your brain literally can't think straight. Your memory is off, your focus is off, and you're gone by noon. 2, you're not eating properly. And that's not just bloating. This is probably why your mood crashes, why you're feeling foggy, reactive, or anxious for no reasons. 3, you're running on empty nutrients. Things like B12, magnesium, iron, these are vitamins and nutrients that women really need. And you're low on those. Of course, your motivation tank is low. 4, you're not checking in with your body, meaning you don't pay enough attention to your body. The tiny gland in your neck controls your energy, your focus, your metabolism. These are the powerhouse from your thyroid. 5, you're not taking care of your inflammation. Your joint aches, your headaches, your skin is rashing up, you're just inflamed. These are just health problems. They mess with your judgment, they shake your confidence, they steal the consistency from you. That you need to build anything long-term, it's gonna ruin by them. So if you're showing up tired, foggy, frustrated, day after day, it's actually not a personal failure. It's actually a physical red flag. And what most people don't realize is your brain runs on 2 systems. This concept was introduced by Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman in his groundbreaking book, Thinking Fast and Slow. He described System 1 as your fast, automate, survival-based system, like breathing, heartbeat. It's what manages pain, discomfort, hunger, temperature, stress. And the System 2, that's your slow, deliberate system. It handles logic, decision-making, planning, negotiation, and creative thinking. Here's the catch. When System 1 is overloaded or not satisfied by physical stress, poor sleep, or even subtle discomfort, System 2 starts shutting down. Your body isn't just tired, it's hijacking the mental resources. Back when I studied negotiation at Harvard, one of our professors said, never hold a serious meeting in a room that's too hot or too cold or too loud. If you let this gland affecting your body temperature, you're constantly in that lower winning situation. Because comfort isn't a luxury, it's a precondition for strategic clarity. So if your body is constantly sending out red flags, you're not scaling your business. You're just in surviving mode. And if you don't take care of your body at all, how do you expect to have the foundation for anything else? But sometimes the reason you crash isn't your fault at all. It's literally wired and written in your DNA. I've seen this pattern in so many women, including myself. One is hyperthyroid, which is the one that I have. Other is underactive thyroid, called hypothyroidism. So they feel cold and exhausted. That's where DO2 comes in. And some of us are more sensitive to serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone that gives you love-hugging feeling. It gives you a satisfying sensation and comfort and safe sensation. Just like how your mother hugging you, that is how serotonin giving you the mood. Because serotonin, it's the hormone that released by our guts. And if you wonder what gene it is, it's SERT. There are even genes that make it harder to recover from inflammation. Your energy start to crash, your skin start to flare up, and your collagen start to break down. You don't sleep well, your wrinkles start to show up, and you're frustrated. You push through, but your body stays in slow-mo for days, maybe weeks. And those guys are called CRP or IL-6 family. They're usually the one that causing inflammation inside the body. So if you are serious about building something in the future and being an entrepreneur, start by investing a little into your own body. So here's what I would like to invite you to do. 1. Try to get a DNA test. Try to understand yourself from the fundamental coding angle. Understand your own data. Understand your own composition. Just like when you decide to go into a business, you research about it. You try to understand if you like it or not. Do the exact same thing to your body. Find out who you are, what you build up, what your strength and weakness is. Because when you find your weakness, you can build strategies around it to protect it, right? 2. Start documenting. You run your business, you record everything, right? Start documenting everything about your body. What you put into it, what you get out of it, what you feel, and how you crash, how you feel, how you drained, what's the symptom when you do this, do that. Every little hint, it's your body giving you a signal. So make a good reference of it and make it record, make it signable. 3. Treat your body like a prototype, not a punishment. Try these things, observe, adjust. You're not broken, you just haven't decoded the system yet. At the beginning of my journey of this particular startup, I got into a really bad situation because I'm so excited, because I wanted to do this so much. I actually over-exaggerate my body. One day, when I wake up, I can't move. After a few hours into the hospital, I can't feel my leg. I have to sit in wheelchair. That every day I have to swallow a lot of pills. I thought I lose my mind and I was so depressed. I would sit in front of my computer and cry. That's when I learned that I over-exaggerate my body and it's reverting back to me. I'm sure that you don't want to go through that. So please take good care of your body. Our body is one type of chips that people often overseas and neglect. So this is my story that I want to share to inspire all the lady founders to pay extra attention to your body. Because when you learn how to lead yourself, you unlock the power to lead everything else. I have to be responsible for myself. I have to be responsible for my family. That's why I want to create a business to bring value to the world. And if I don't literally be responsive to my users, who am I? Why would you trust me? So I think the minimum that I can do is be responsible to my own body. And I think you should do the same thing too. So here's my questions to you. Do you ever feel like your body is one thing holding your business back? If that hits home, comment, chat my founder DNA. We're in this together, ladies. See you next time.